Hey friends, welcome back to Easy Couponing, where we make it easy for you to coupon. I am on easycouponing.info, which is our website. Make sure you visit easycouponing.info starting Wednesdays, or actually every day if you can. But on Wednesdays, I'll be posting all of the deals there for Walgreens early. I'm sorry, I'll be not early activation, and early activation will be posted there as well. So make sure you visit easycouponing.info. Today I want to talk about a deal that I think you'll love. I liked it a lot, and it's on the Charmin Bounty Head and Shoulders or Herbal Essence. We'll talk about that in a minute. And Oral-B products or Crest. Let me go ahead and go over it. This is an easy couponing deal. Anyone can do. No paper coupons are needed. And you're going to spend very low out of pocket. That's the whole point of my videos and my deals. I try to make it as easy as possible, easy couponing, because I want to make sure that you're spending very little out of pocket. We're not going to go spend our money on every single item that's on sale. Obviously, we're going to spend and we're going to shop smart, and we're going to be using money from one deal to get the next one, etc., etc. I'll go over it in detail right now, but if you want to go to easycouponing.info and check it out there, it's all there. Let me go ahead and get started with the first transaction that we're going to be doing. By the way, we're going to be doing 3 transactions, and you will be getting register rewards on each of these. I'll go ahead and go over if you could pay with points or not, or Walgreens cash. A lot of people still know it as points. If you're able to pay with points, I'll go over that in a minute as well. So let me go ahead and get started with the first deal. For the first transaction, you're going to be buying 2 Oral-B toothbrush, or you may purchase Crest toothpaste. I know a lot of us already have a lot of Crest toothpaste, or a lot of toothpaste in general. So I went ahead and picked up 2 of the Oral-B toothbrush for $4 each. That makes it $8 for 2. I have a $3 off on 2 digital coupon, which will come off perfectly to $5. I have to pay $5 out of pocket, and I could use Walgreens cash here since since it's a buy deal, it's buy 2 get 4 register rewards, $4 in register rewards. I could use cash rewards here to pay. So I'm going to be using $5 in cash rewards. I'll be rolling it into this deal. I'll pay $0 out of pocket, so I don't have to pay anything out of pocket since I'm using cash rewards to pay. If you do not have cash rewards, don't worry. You'll pay $5 out of pocket. You'll get $4 in register reward, making each toothbrush $1. So that's a pretty good deal. And save that register reward because we will need it for our final transaction. Also, keep in mind that if the register rewards do not print out, it may be that the Catalina machine is off. Make sure you let the cashier know before you leave. Give it a minute after the receipt prints out and everything, and you get your change. Give it a minute. If that Catalina register reward does not print out, let the cashier know. I was supposed to get $4 for purchasing 2 of these items. And then you can show her, the sales ad, or you could show her the tag where it states that you're getting $4 in register reward. They may give you points. That'll be up to the cashier or their manager. All right, so that's transaction number 1. Let me go ahead and talk about transaction number 2. For transaction number 2, we're going to be getting 2 of the Head and Shoulders, and this is the same deal as the Crest, so you need to do them separately. 2 of the Head and Shoulders at $6 each. That'll be $12. Or you may pick up the Herbal Essence. Those also qualify. Pick up the ones that you need for your family and your household. I'm going to be picking up 2 of the Head and Shoulders at $6. That's $12 total. I'm going to be using the $3 off on 2 digital coupon. I'll pay $9 in Walgreens cash, or $9 out of pocket, I'm sorry. If you want to use Walgreens cash here, I would suggest that you add a dollar item. Anything that's a dollar in the store, add it to your cart. Pay using $10 in Walgreens cash. and you'll get your $4 register reward back for purchasing two. Why add a dollar item? Because you want to get to the $10. And that way you'll spend zero out of pocket. You don't have to even open up your wallet. All you have to do is say, I want to spend my Walgreens cash, or I want to use Walgreens cash to pay. You'll pay $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $0 out of pocket. You'll get your $4 in register rewards, making your purchase rolling $0, and you'll get $4 register reward. If you do not have any cash rewards, don't worry. All you have to do is pay $9 for two of these. You'll get $4 in register reward back, and it'll make it $2.50 for each of the shampoos. I think that's a pretty good deal. So if you want to go ahead and pick these up this week, go and get them. We have until Saturday to get these deals. These are pretty good deals, easy couponing deals anyone could do. So go ahead and get them. Let's say you only have $5. This is the last scenario that I'll talk about. If you only have $5 in Walgreens cash, you'll pay $9, right? Your total will be $9. You'll tell the cashier, I want to use Walgreens cash. You'll pay $5 in Walgreens cash, $4 in cash or credit card, whatever you use to pay, debit card. You'll get back $4, making it zero after $4 register reward. So there's three options there. You don't need to have cash rewards. We're going to start building them up. If you're brand new, do not worry. Welcome to Easy Couponing. We're going to make it very, very simple here for you to coupon and save your money. So make sure you subscribe and leave those thumbs up so we can help more people save their money. Let me go ahead and talk about the final transaction, number 3. Don't forget, we're using those $4 register rewards from this second transaction and the first transaction to get our last transaction, which will be on the paper products. Okay. For our final transaction, transaction number 3, we're going to be picking up, I'm going to be picking up a Charmin and a Bounty. The Gain laundry detergent also qualifies here, and the Gain flings also qualify here. I'm getting paper products since those never expire. I'm going to be getting Charmin, 9 equals 36, and a Bounty, 6 equals 11. They're $10.99 each this week on sale. Your total here for two of these will be $21.98. I'm going to use two register rewards that I got from transaction number 1 and transaction number 2 for $4 each. That'll take $8 off. I'll pay $13.98. You could use Walgreens cash here as well to pay. If you still have Walgreens cash, you may use $10 to pay here. You'll pay $3.98 out of pocket if you use Walgreens cash. If you don't have Walgreens cash, do not worry. You'll still pay $13.98 out of pocket, and you'll get $6 in register reward, making each of these products $3.99. I think it's a pretty good deal because these are larger than the Scott paper products that we usually get. And I know a lot of you are loyal to Charmin and Bounty. So this is your deal. If you want to get it, this is how you're going to do this deal. You're going to do 3 separate transactions, and you're going to get the best bang for your buck this way. That way you don't spend too much out of pocket. You'll be using the money or the register rewards, which is money, that we get from transaction number 1 and transaction number 2 to do your final transaction and get the best deal at Walgreens this week. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share the video with someone so they can save their money. Make sure you're sharing these videos with your family and friends. Share me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp. What else? What else is there? All of the social medias. I don't even know what the other ones are. I know there's a bunch of them. Then a bunch of them come up every other day. So share me on all social media, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. So it's a really easy couponing deal, friends. Anybody could do. And the best part about it is that there's no paper coupons needed. All you need is the digital coupons that are in your Walgreens app. Clip those and happy shopping. And the best part, it's very low out of pocket. So get your deals. I'll be bringing you a couple more videos, so don't miss them. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.